Well, high turnover and conflict are always a sign that the leadership is not optimal. Because think about it, what is leadership about? It's about building relationships. It's about collaborating with each other in order to work together to accomplish the common goal of the organization. And so when these kind of issues are happening in a department or in an organization, the improvements always have to come from the top. And so at that time, it's really more about working on interpersonal skills and leadership skills, and not about business knowledge or even about clinical knowledge. And so as long as a physician leader is willing and open to explore these kind of things, I definitely can help them to improve their own behavior and skills, so then it has an impact on everybody in the organization or in the department, as well as on the goal.